Hi, I'm Zach. Today we will continue with regular expression in chapter 9 of Eloquent JavaScript. Let's begin with word and string boundary. So the character indicates the start of a string, and $sign indicates the end of a string. Here are some examples. We have the beginning of a string and the end of the string. And between them, we are looking for digit. There can be more than one. So this expression means a string consisting entirely of one or more digits. For the second example, we have the beginning, and then an exclamation mark. That means any string that starts with an exclamation mark. And let's take a look at the last example. We have the beginning, but there is an X before the beginning. That doesn't make sense, so this expression matches nothing. Okay? And secondly, we have a word boundary, which means all the special characters such as comma, periods, and space, and it's the opposite of the word character. So the word character consists A to Z, both lower and upper cases. The number 0 to 9 and underscore. Okay, let's take a look at the two examples here. We are looking for cat in concatenate. Of course, we can find it here. But if we put a word boundary before and at the end of cats, this doesn't match because there is no boundary in front and behind the word cat. Okay, so you get a false. The second topic of today is the choice patterns. We have the pipe character here. It equals to the OR operator. So it means a choice between its left and right. Here is an example. We have the word boundary at the beginning, at the end, and we are looking for digits. Can be more than one, and there is a space after the digit, and then this parenthesis represents a group. Within this group, we have two pipe characters here, which means any of these three would work. And after that, there is a question mark after behind the S, which means with or without the S, the expression still works. Okay, so let's take a look at 15 pics. We got the digits, and then the pic matches the first option here, and we have an S at the end, so it matches. But if we have pig chickens here, this one doesn't match any of the three, so it doesn't match. Here is a diagram from the book, shows how the matching works. So we start with the boundary, right? The boundary here. And then we are looking for digit. There can be more than one, so we have a circle here. And then a space. So parenthesis indicates a group. So within this group, there are three paths. Any of them leads to the next step. So, and the next step is the character S, with or without it, the execution moves on. So you can see there is a line with it and there is another path without it, and then we have the ending boundary. Okay, so when it finds the first full match, the execution will stop, so only the first match will be used. Okay, let's take a look at the replace method. String values have a replace method. Here is an example. We have a string papa here, and we use the replace method, replace the p with an m. As you can see, only the first p is replaced because only the first full match is used. Okay, so the first argument, this one, can be a regular expression, and if you want to match, if you want to use all the matches in that string, you can put a g after the regular expression. So like this one, there is a g after the regular expression. G stands for global. Okay, if you use it like this, all the matches will be used. Here is then an example. We have this string and we are looking for either O or U, okay, and replace it with A. In this example, only the first O is replaced, and for the second example, we have the same string, and we put a G option after the regular expression, and all the O and U is replaced. So we got this as the result. Okay. You can refer to the match groups in the replacement string. Here's an example. We have the console log, and there are some names in that string. And as you can see, the first name and the last name are in the wrong position. We want to exchange their position. So we use the replace method on the whole string. Okay, first we have two groups in the regular expression, and they are separated by a comma and a space. So this is the separators here. Okay, and in each group we are looking for word, characters, or space. There can be more than one. Okay, so this is a word character, so is this one, so is this one, so is this one, and stops here. Therefore we got this one as the in the first group, right? And after the comma and the space, we start the second group, right? So we get this one as the second group, as the result of the second group. And we have a global option here, so all the matches will be found. Okay, for the second argument, you can see we have $1 and $2 here. They mean the first matching group and the second matching group. So we put the second matching group at the first place and the first matching group at the second place. Therefore, we get this as the result. Okay, and you can refer up to 9 matching groups. If you want to refer to the whole match, use $sign and the ampersand, the N character. Okay. You can use a function with the replace method. Here are some examples. We have a string here, the FBI and the CIA. Okay, we want to turn CIA and FBI into uppercase. So we use the replace method and boundary and the group, only one group. We are looking for either FBI or CIA. And we set a global option here, so all the matches will be found. For the second argument, we use a function. The function takes the match group as the argument. So, and within the function, we just use two uppercase method on the string. So convert it into uppercase. So the first match will be CIA, and it will be the str variable, and convert the word to uppercase, and the FBI will be the second. So this function will be executed twice. Let's take a look at the second example. We have stock as which is a string with all these things. And then let's jump to the console log. We use the replace method on the string, and we are looking for digits as the first group and words as the second group. There is a space in between, and then we want to find all the matches. And the second argument is the -1 function. Let's take a look at the -1 function. So we have three arguments here. The first argument is the whole match, which means everything. And the second argument is the first matching group, which is this one, and this one is looking for digits. Therefore, you will get this one and this digit and this digit, which means they are the amount. So we use amount as the name of the variable. And for the second matching group, we are looking for words. So this one, and this one. So they are the units. Okay, and so the whole matching, the first matching group, the second matching group, and you can also put the third and the fourth, the fifth, and so on. And within the function, we reduce the amount by 1. So after the reduction, if the amount equals 1, that means there was an S after at the end of the original unit, because it equals 1 after the reduction. That means the previous value should be 2, right? So since the S is always the last character, we can use the slice method on the units and to cut the last character. So slice from the very first character to the second to the last character. Okay, therefore that's how you get rid of the S at the end of the units. Okay, and if the amount equals 0 after the reduction, that means there is no more of that item. So we use no as the amount. and we return the amount, a space, and the units. Okay, and that's it for today. Regular expression is a big topic. We will continue in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.